Hey guys, Card Chip here. Buzz, 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 buzz. We got BeeHive 2006-7 hockey. 15 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. 1 jumbo card per pack. Photo pack. And you get 1 smaller pack inside the jumbo pack with 4 other cards. So, advertisement for Parker's here. 06-7 Parker's. And now, first pack of BeeHive 6-7. Alright, so our jumbo in this pack, Tony Esposito for the Blackhawks. Nice one there. Pretty big card. Cool. And now our smaller pack for this one. We got Nicholas Lidstrom, Martin Havlat, pretty sure that's a variation of the base. Danny Heatley and Patrice Bergeron. Alright. Next pack. Nice. Matt Sundin. This is our jumbo. We got Ed Belfour. Andrew Raycroft. Nice. One of the better rookies. Keith Yandel. BeeHive rookie. Nice one there. And Sid the Kid. Second year card. That would be of Crosby. One second. We got Miroslav Satan. And now our small pack. We got Yoni Pikkinen. Pushkarov. Rookie. Nice. We got a jersey guard of Corey Perry. BeeHive Matted Materials. Now on the Dallas Stars. Had a pretty good cup run this year. Nice card there. Alright. Next pack. We got Eric Stahl. Shane Doan. Martin St. Louis. Timo Ruutu. And Martin St. Louis. So this one must have been a variation. The one there. Because this is the base card. Alright. Got Marian Gaborik. Looks like a different color parallel. Not too sure. Nice one though. This pack doesn't want to open. There we go. We got Chris Drury, Dylan Alfredson, We've got the Facsimile autograph, red parallel. Nice one there. Patrick Elias and Sergei Fedorov. We got Paul Kariya. Joe Sakic. Henrik Lundqvist, Facsimile auto. Nice one there. Second year Lundqvist. Jonathan Chichu and Dion Phaneuf. Alright guys, next pack. Jumbo is Nicklas Lidstrom. We got Brad Richards, Jesse Schultz, Joffrey Lupul, and Pavel Datsyuk. Also, guys, I just want to show you the back of the base cards. So there's like facts on it, which is pretty cool. Did you know? It gives a fact on each card on the back, so pretty cool. Upper Deck should probably bring a product like this, like, out yearly, just because of how fun it is. Like the jumbo cards, they would still sell, I think. So let me guys know. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think they should bring it back. We got Bobby Lou, Roberto Luongo. Joe Thornton. We got Dustin Boyd, BeeHive rookie. Kavy Bulin, Keith Tkachuk. Michael Ryder. Olli Jokinen. Rob Blake, photo variation. Alex Kovalev. Milan Hajduk. Yeah, that's sweet. Let's go. Eric Stahl, not a Facsimile. That's a real autograph. As you guys saw in the back, congratulations. Sweet. Alright, wasn't expecting that. Wow. Eric Stahl, newest member to Sabres. He's had a great career, still playing, so that's a pretty decent autograph to get. Wow. Alexander Frolov. Jason Spezza, Doug Waite, Paul Stastny, Ryan Smith, Pack sticking to the card. Funny. Got Jumbo Joe. Now on the Leafs. Should be interesting to see him in a Leafs jersey next year. Pavel Demitra. Daniel Alfredsson. Nice. Another good rookie. Joe Pavelski. Pavelski and Yandel rookies were the best ones so far. Pretty good. And Vesa Toskala. Final three. Not really expecting anything else in this box because it's been good so far. So, with that autograph and jersey card, it should be the best hits. Very nice, though, to get Eric Stahl as their autograph. Marty Havlat for the Blackhawks. Alexei Yashin, Jean-Sebastien Giguère. We got Yelmer Yager, Brad Boys. Last two packs. Marian Gaborik. Eric Stahl. Oh, look, an autograph there. We got Eric Stahl to go with the autograph, Jumbo. Zaku Koivu. Nice, signature scrapbook. Mike Camilleri. Sweet looking card there. You're guaranteed one auto in the box, so two is really good. So nice one there. And Miroslav Satan. Alright, we got one more pack. Last pack mojo, anyone? Last jumbo of the box, Ryan Miller. Nice one there for the Sabres. And last mini pack. Or regular size pack, I should say. The other ones are jumbo. Marcus Naslund, Jerome McGinley, Alexei Yashin, Olaf Kolzig. Alright guys, just let me show you guys the hits of the box. BeeHive, Matte Material, Corey Perry. Mike Camilleri, scrapbook signature, scrapbook. Nice one there. Or Joe Pavelski rookie. And let me grab the Stahl. And the sick jumbo autograph of Eric Stahl. Hey guys, was just sorting the cards and I realized I dropped on the floor one of the small packs. So I think I did that when Eric Stahl was pulled. I must have got excited about it and just it dropped, I guess. So here's the last pack of the box. Cam Ward, Michael Pekka, Alex Tanguay, Blue Parallel, and Marian Hossa. Alright, so I'll show you guys the three hits of the box. Mike Camilleri, autograph, signature scrapbook. BeeHive Matte Material, Corey Perry, with the Eric Stahl Jumbo Auto, which is sweet. Pretty crazy pull there. Jumbo Auto. So, alright guys, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Card Trimp's gone.